a application called A4D Mobile Utility. And A4D Mobile Utility is an application that runs on, well, Android, open source phones. Well, the thing with open source phones is that with the actuality of open source OS itself, there are a lot of ROMs out there that everybody made up that are particular to their own flavors and their own needs. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Well, the problem with that is, well, the good and bad about the ROMs, the good is right now this particular phone here, my hand is flashed with the custom kernel that lets me run at 18 hours of talk time, which is unheard of. The bad thing is, in order to flash anything like that, all the tools that are out there are very, very non-user friendly. They are all text-based tools and whatnot, and not everybody can just go to the store, pick up an Android and flash it themselves. We are trying to overcome that. And in the Apple world, there is no Cornish tool. There are different tools that actually make it happen. We don't have it for Android, and this is the thing behind it. And we, one of the things that we want to do is we don't want to break these $500+ phones, and make a table. So one thing we talked about it, we said, okay, let's try something, and let's do Android for Dummies.
Android for Dummies is we first developed it with a Windows-based application. It took about 12 hours to design and write the whole thing out, and then we realized that it was very effective. It made a huge impact on the small communities that we distributed across. Within 48 hours, there were over 200 downloads of this application, and 40% of them were new flashing of the phones. And this is the general look of the app, but we're not going to go into this because we got something even newer than this. So my brother and I, we sat down and said, what's next? We got demands from Mac community saying, hey, give us something for the GUI, and so we're like, let's do something even better than that. Let's go mobile. And so we said, what do we need to make it easy for everyone? We all have Windows, our phones, and the tiny little screens that we've done searching on this stuff on the browser, and it takes us ages to get it done. So we said, why don't we build a ROM library, an online ROM library, and have it available for everyone? And we implemented the ROM library into the app that we wrote for the Android.
Well, the question is, why go mobile when you actually have a tool that we made up already? We have a tool obviously for Windows. We're making up a tool, a GUI tool for this particular flashing purposes for Mac. In about a week or so, we're going to release that. Why make it Windows? Why make it mobile? The reason why is, this morning, I was in a keynote right outside next door. I got a text message. Somebody told me, hey, there's a new ROM. I flashed it without even touching my laptop. That's how it is done. One of the things that we're going to look at is the fact that this particular tool will make sure that you don't actually run into issues of flashing, let's say, misinformed ROMs or the ROMs that are partially downloaded and so on and so forth. Okay, let's run the app anyway. Go ahead. If we look at it on the screen, you can see that we're going to run the app. It will go through a little questions screen that says, can you approve to run it? Go ahead and approve it. Right here, earlier, my brother talked about the step where this particular machine will actually try to get the ROM library that we set up already, which we're going to update on a constant basis. The ROM library itself will actually go ahead and grab the information. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but if you we get it live, there you go. That might help us. There is some. We got the information with the ROM, who made it, the MD5 sum, the whole spiel. And let's go ahead and grab one of them. So you can actually download it right on the phone right now. Let's take the part about downloading. We have something ready that we can actually go ahead and cancel it. And the point is, we are actually going to try to get everything done straight from the phone itself. We're going to put Flash in utility. We're going to give it a, well, like I said, let's say if you download something and it's not right, it might make this into a break. We don't want to do that. So what happens if we select the wrong ROM, the one that is, select the one that is screwed up, that we downloaded earlier. This will check the MD5, make sure that you can actually flash it, otherwise it won't flash. And it will spit out a message that says MD5 is wrong, don't flash it, and it will kick it out. However, if you do flash it, go ahead and flash it. 5 minutes is good enough to flash, go ahead and flash it. The phone will actually take a couple of seconds, it will do, reboot. And in about a minute or two, you will have a brand new ROM that somebody else wrote without even leaving your connected to the laptop at all. So that's what it is coming out. And this should be available in on the App Store, well, in the marketplace by tomorrow evening.
Who did you start with?
We started this particular thing about a week ago, and I have no prior knowledge of Java. He is a .NET guy. So that's that.